Welcome back, Fly Vegan family. Today we're whipping up some Rasta pasta. Cook your pasta as directed and add about a teaspoon of salt to the pan. I'm going to start this off by preparing a portobello mushroom. I don't like the gills because it has an earthy flavor to it, so I remove them. And then I season it up. I'm using some, I think it's Walkerson's. Yeah, some Walkerson's jerk seasoning, some sea salt. I'm just adding some of the Trader Joe's mushroom seasoning, a little bit of thyme. So I just rub the seasoning on. Pop this in the oven, 400 degrees, for about 15 minutes. I'm going to cut up my bell pepper. I'm using tricolor peppers, yellow, red, and green. Thinly slice some garlic cloves, spring onion, and green onion. So I'm going to start by adding some butter to a hot pan. Now we're going to throw the peppers, onions, and garlic into the pan and saute them. Then add some seasoning. I'm adding some fresh thyme, the mushroom Trader Joe's seasoning, and parsley, a little bit of smoked paprika, some allspice, and the jerk seasoning. I'm just going to mix that up. Add a can of coconut milk. Then I'll add vegan sour cream, sea salt, add the pasta to the vegetable sauce, and mix it all up really good. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.